Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix M equals 1 problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up blogger.com and sign into your account. Now from here we need to go ahead and edit our theme. So click onto theme on the left hand side. And now customize your theme you're using. So click on customize and click on edit HTML. And now once we're here, we want to click onto anywhere inside of the body here, and then click on your keyboard Control and F. Then you should see a little search bar appear like so. And now from here, we need to find the head section. So copy this in and paste this in, head, and then hit enter. And now here it is here. Now below head, we need to copy and paste some code in. So the code we want to paste in is here. So I want to copy this, Control C. And now under the head, paste this in, Control V. And now what this does, this forces the URL to reload without the M equals 1 query parameter. But make note, this may briefly reload the page and isn't always user friendly, so only use this if necessary. And I will leave this bit of information in the user description or the description of this video down below.